This is a Logitech G305 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse. We have a mouse, we have some papers, we have Duracell battery, and we have a cord. This is AA. Simple plastic, but feels fine. I have two buttons over here. This way you can open it, put the battery in, plus over here. Here we have the dongle to put into your computer. It's really hard to take out. And this is the cord we got. I'm not sure it's that useful. It is used to put this inside. This is obviously turn on, turn off button. Turn on. Red. Off. Plug it in. This cord is basically to keep your dongle close to you to save battery life, but I don't think it's gonna be useful for many people. This button over here regulates the speed of the mouse. 1 is like too slow, 4 is very fast. I'm sticking with a third. The size is pretty small. If you have big hands, it's not for you. You can customize stuff, these buttons, through Logitech app. You can definitely hear them. This is rubber. I strongly suggest using it with a mouse pad. Just on the flat table, it's not that great. I got it on sale for like $30–40, and it's pretty good for that price, and I like it. Great mouse. Thank you very much for watching.